Welcome to Master Chem Academy. Today you are going to learn Tischenko reaction. Okay, one of the name reaction in carbonyl compounds. Tischenko reaction is also called as modified Cannizzaro reaction or pseudo Cannizzaro reaction. Okay, why it is called as modified or pseudo Cannizzaro reaction? Okay, to know that, first you must recall what is Cannizzaro reaction. What is Cannizzaro reaction? Formaldehyde or other aldehydes with no alpha hydrogen atoms. Okay, formaldehyde or other aldehydes with no alpha hydrogen atoms in presence of aqueous or alcoholic KOH, alcoholic NaOH or KOH, undergoes self-oxidation and reduction. So this is also called as disproportionation. Okay, what is disproportionation? So if reaction undergoes with self-oxidation and reduction, then that reaction is said to be disproportionation reaction. This is called Cannizzaro reaction. Okay, now what is Tischenko reaction? So here all aldehydes, okay, irrespective of alpha hydrogen atom, it is having all aldehydes AlOET3, aluminum triethoxide in presence of that, again take same reaction, self oxidation and reduction. So this reaction is Tischenko reaction. Okay, so for example here aldehyde, if you take CH3CHO 2 moles in presence of AlOET3. So what it gives? So self oxidation and reduction means, so this aldehyde undergoes oxidation. If it undergoes oxidation, what will be the product? Acid. So aldehyde converts into acid. This is acetaldehyde and this one is acetic acid. Okay, now and also this is oxidation product, and what is the reduction product? Corresponding reduction product, that is CH3CH2OH, alcohol. Okay, this is ethyl alcohol. Okay, these two products are formed by Tischenko reaction. We know that whenever acid, alcohol both are there in the reaction mixture, so what happens? Loss of H2O takes place and it converts into ester. Okay, so from OH from alcohol acid and hydrogen from alcohol, removal of H2O takes place, and what is the resultant product? CH3CO OC2H5, CH3CO this CH2CH3, that is C2H5. So what is the name of this compound? Ethyl acetate, ethyl or ethanoate, 2 carbons. So that's why ethyl IUPAC name, ethyl ethanoate. Okay, this is about Tischenko reaction. What is Tischenko reaction? All aldehydes, irrespective of alpha carbon or alpha hydrogens, all aldehydes undergoes Tischenko reaction in presence of aluminum triethoxide. What are the products? Self oxidation and self reduction products are formed. What are they? Acetic acid and ethyl alcohol. Then loss of H2O, dehydration takes place, results a ester. What is the ester here? Ethyl ethanoate. So this is Tischenko reaction. Now is it undergoes Cannizzaro reaction, this acetaldehyde? No. What is the reason? Here no alpha hydrogen atoms, but here to this carbonyl compound, this is alpha carbon and it is having alpha hydrogens. That's why acetaldehyde do not undergo Cannizzaro reaction. Okay. So formaldehyde can. So what is the Cannizzaro reaction for formaldehyde? HCOH. So 2 moles in presence of aqueous NaOH. Okay. So that is converts into self oxidation products HCOONA and CH3OH. Okay, this is oxidation product and this is reduction product. So these are this is called Cannizzaro reaction. Okay, what is the difference between these two? Here on alpha hydrogens which is having aldehyde which is with no alpha hydrogen atom involves in Cannizzaro reaction. So all aldehydes can undergo Tischenko reaction. This is the difference between these two. That's why as it is looking like this Cannizzaro reaction, so this is called modified Cannizzaro reaction or pseudo Cannizzaro reaction. So here limitation is there with no alpha hydrogen atom. Here there is no limitation. All aldehydes can give this reaction. So let us take one more example. This is first example acetaldehyde and second example. So take second example, that is CH3CH2CHO. Okay, so this is propanol. Okay, now this, what is the reagent here? AlO83 aluminum triethoxide, and what is the product? So just corresponding oxidation product and corresponding reduction product. What is the corresponding oxidation product? CH3CH2COOH. What is the corresponding oxidation product? Reduction product? So corresponding alcohol. Okay, so CH2OH. So this converts as OH and CH2CH2CH3. Okay, so this is propanoic acid. This is 1 propanol. Okay, now this removal of H2O takes place, and what is the reaction? Resultant product COOCH2CH3. Okay, so what is the name? Ethyl propanoate. So this is a ester ethyl propanoate. This is the Tischenko product. Okay, and take one more example, third, that is HCHO. Okay, here there is no limitation whether it is having alpha hydrogen atoms or no, with no alpha hydrogen atom can undergo Tischenko reaction. Actually formaldehyde undergoes Cannizzaro reaction in presence of aqueous NaOH, but here with the AlO83, so the compound aldehyde compounds with or without alpha hydrogen atoms can undergo this. Here 2 moles. What is this? HCOOH corresponding acid and corresponding alcohol OH CH3OH. Now HOH, removal of HOH takes place, minus H2O, and what is the product? HCOOCH3. Okay, HC double bond O COCH3. Okay, so this is, what is this? Methyl methanoate or common name methyl formate. Okay, so here common name ethyl propanoate. Okay, propanoic acid. So this is about Tischenko reaction. Okay, from this class I think you are now clear with what is the difference between Cannizzaro reaction and a Tischenko reaction. What is the difference? Cannizzaro reaction with no alpha hydrogen atoms, aldehydes with no alpha hydrogen atoms in presence of aqueous NaOH undergoes self oxidation and reduction. That reaction is known as Cannizzaro reaction. And a Tischenko reaction, aldehydes, all aldehydes with or without alpha hydrogen atoms in presence of aluminum triethoxide undergoes similar way undergoes self oxidation and reduction, and here once these two products are formed, dehydration takes place and gives corresponding ester. Okay, this is Tischenko reaction.